regex, regular expressions. We're coming to a very interesting topic in Python. So in this lecture, you will learn the syntax of regular expression known as regex and the use of this regex in searching for given expressions in a text. So use regex to extract data from text files. So it's quite interesting. Let us go through it. Now regular expression is shortened as regex, is a sequence of characters that specify a search pattern. See, I've got a text. I want to search for a particular pattern, for example, a name of a person or the email of a person. So I've got voluminous number of data. So I want to only get to the email IDs. So that is what most of the companies do. You give email IDs and then store those email IDs. So how do I do that? So I use regex to do that, or regular expressions to do that. So usually such patterns are used by string searching and algorithms for finding and for find and replace operations on strings or for input validation. So regular expressions are used in search engines, search and replace dialogues of word processors, and in text editors. In text processing utilities such like SED, SET, and awk, and in lexical analysis. So this is regex is very much used in some of these programs. So in computing, a regular expression, also referred to as regex, as I said, or regex, provides a concise and flexible means for matching strings of text, such as particular character, as I said, words, or patterns of characters. So it is written in a formal language that can be interpreted by a regular expression processor. So we will learn about that. We will use form regular expressions and we'll use them to search in a text. So understanding regular expressions. So first of all, they are very powerful and quite cryptic. Fun once you understand them. Initially you will find it difficult, but once you understand, so you really love that, and you are going to use it often to search for patterns in a given text. So regular expressions are a language unto themselves. So a language of marker characters, programming with only characters. It is a kind of old school language, very, very compact. Let us see what it is immediately. Now, regular expressions here, I've got these cryptic characters I mentioned about just now. For example, here you see there, this symbol is used for matching the beginning of a line. So if we will do, and dollar symbol matches the end of the line. Dot for any character. Slash small s for matching white spaces. Slash capital S non-white spaces. Star repeats a character 0 or more times. Note 0 or more times. Here it is a star with question marks 0 or more times, non-greedy. Only once you find out and not go on finding out the pattern in the whole text. Plus repeats for 1 or more. Here it was 0 or more. Here 1 or more. Plus with the question mark again, non-greedy, 1 or more times, but only once. Here within square brackets matches a single character in the list of set. This is so if there is A-I-A-E-I-O-U, it matches single character. Here it is not XYZ, a single character not in the list. So not is used here, not is there. So the not is. So here set of characters here, set of character A to Z, 0 can include a range here, range A to Z. So this is start bracket, close bracket indicates the string extraction, and we will be coming through that. So there we will use these brackets to extract string within these two brackets. What it is, immediately you will come to know. So regular expression module. Let us see. So before you can use regular expressions in your program, you must import the library, that is is you use therefore import RE regular expression library that contains all these regular expressions. So you can use RE search. This is a method of RE to see if a string matches a regular expression. Now, regular expression is given inside this here brackets, similar to use a find method for strings. Okay. So you are often you are going to use find all, re dot find all, to extract portions of a string that match your regular expression, similarly to a combination of find and slicing, which we have done earlier, find and slicing. So all the time we are going to use therefore re dot find all, which is a method. As I said here, search is a method of re this library. Similarly, find all is a method of this object called RE, regular expression. So let us start with an example using RE search. So I want to say I've got text here. I've got open message box text. So it got the handle here. So I've imported RE. Then I've opened this message box, and then FH contains the handle, file handle, and I can get line by line for line in FH. Multiple lines are there, so I get line by line. Then I say a line R strip all the spaces, right spaces, and then say if R search from line. So if this is true, when I'm searching from in this line, so print that line. If there is from in this line, you print the line. So let us see what the result is. As you see, from Stephen. So there are a lot more other information is there, but it has culled out only that information which starts with from. From, then you have got the email ID. So this is in this document called message box text. This is one use of one method called search. Now we come to the special characters. I've already introduced the special characters to you. So this one at the beginning or not. This is, so let us see. The power of regular expressions comes when we add special characters to search string that allows us to be more precise in our search. So more precisely control which lines must match the string. So adding these special characters to our regular expression allows us to do sophisticated matching and extraction while writing very, very little code. So we are just going to give one expression, and with that one expression, we can extract such an amount of information from text data, voluminous data. So let us see. Again, we shall use search again, our search. So I'll be importing this RE, that is the object. So I'm opening this message box, and now I have used here. So only extract those lines which start with from. See, start with from. At the beginning, there should be from. If there is no, it is not at the beginning of the sentence, you omit that. That is the meaning of this from. And then that is R search. I'm using the same method, but I have added here regular expression within this inverted commas. So saying that this is the regular expression. So starting with the from. So as you see, from only all these are printed. So from the data which is present in that message box text. So we could change our program to only match lines where from was at the beginning of the line as shown above. So that is the use of, here we have used this regular expression, just one symbol here that makes a big difference in your search pattern. So thank you. We will be dealing with more of this in next 2 sessions.